Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find wallpaper and personalization. So here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got abstract ones, let's say floral arrangements, nature patterns, daydreams, and more system wallpapers. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use, and it should appear on the full screen. So maybe let me choose this one. And now let's tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.